If you wanna to fix this problem on your Tinder, I will show you guys the easiest way how to fix this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you don't need to open your Tinder. Go and search for your settings of your device. Then open it, and what you should do, go directly and open apps option. So right here on apps option, you have to search only for Tinder. Open Tinder like this and scroll down until you found storage option. Open it, but here be careful guys, don't click on clear data, click just on clear cache, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. Now you go to battery, make sure that that is on optimized mode, then go back to set as a default, make sure that open supported links it's opening, and also permission allow all those options right here. And last things is to update your Tinder on the last version, then go and restart your phone. That's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing our channel. See you next.